Alright, see, there's the grouse. Now watch this. I'll go to put some garbage away. And this feisty little fellow will come right up to me and try to attack me. Watch this. It's a bold little creature. Watch this, he's come right up to me. Just rustle the bag. And this little fellow will come and try to attack me. See? I don't know if I caught that on camera, but it flew right at me. What are you doing? What are you doing? This thing is mean. Jeez. Here I was pouring out compliments on the little female here. It must think I have its young in my garbage bag here, but I most certainly do not. Now woodpeckers up in the trees there, all kinds of commotion. This little grouse, man. What a feisty little grouse. What? What do you want, grouse? Take this garbage bag away from you. I don't know if the microphone will capture all the little sounds it's making.